So let me show you how to create avatars with AI for free. These avatars were created for free using free AI tools. Let me show you how to create these avatars and how to generate your high quality images. These avatars, you can use them to create your advert videos, you can use them for lectures, you can use them for tutorial videos. So I want to show you a trick on how to get your avatar image. So go on Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. So search on, I want to search for lady with natural long hair, natural black hair. So I'm going to search. Okay, so these are the options. So I think I like this one. I like this one. So I like this hair. I'll click on it and download it. Any way you want your avatar to be, you have to choose it. Go over and search for different jackets, different suits, different ladies wearing suits, lady wearing suits. So I'm going to choose any of these suits that I want. So I'm going to wear, I want my avatar to wear a suit with that hair I picked. So I want to generate my avatar specifically for myself. So I'm going to take on, so I'm going to wear this one. So I'm going to download it again. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go over to ChatGPT. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT generate an avatar for me. I gave ChatGPT a prompt. I told ChatGPT generate an avatar for me. So I attached the dress I want the avatar to wear and the hair I want the avatar to have. So I explained the avatar to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me a detailed explanation of an avatar image generation prompt, which is 16 by 9. So this is the generation prompt. I will attach it on in the description of this video so that if you want to generate, but you have to change some things from the prompt. So for you to have a different image. So this is the tone I want, and the voiceover. ChatGPT generated the voiceover for me as well. So I told ChatGPT generate the voiceover for me. Okay, marketing, an avatar doing marketing. So this is what ChatGPT generated for me. So I copied the prompts that ChatGPT gave me here based on the prompt I prompted ChatGPT. So I copied it and send it back to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT generated this avatar for me and this avatar. So I prompted it to give me another position, another dress, and another sitting for the avatar to sit down and have another dress. So I've generated my two avatars. The next thing I'll do is I'll go and generate my voice over. So I'll copy this voiceover prompt, the script that ChatGPT gave me. I'll go over to my browser to generate our talking avatar. I'll go over to one.video. This is one.video. So click on it. You come down here on this part where you see this plus sign. So click on this icon, click on video. So click on this plus sign, click on frame. So click on the upload video photo library. So I can click on this particular, so I'll click on done. So I'll describe what I want my avatar to say. So I'll come down here. So I'll paste the prompt that I generated from ChatGPT. So I have option of generating either, so I'll click on these three dots to, I'll click on generate without credit. I want check generate with credit because I want to generate without credit. Generating without credit is slower. So I'll click on generate. My video is generating. One dot video generates videos very fast. So this generation can take like 2 to 3 minutes because I'm generating without credit. If I'm generating with credit, it is faster. So let's wait for our video to generate.
We handle your advertising and grow your business fast. Let's scale your brand today. We handle your advertising and grow your business fast. Let's scale your brand today.